So we have talked about how to change the color of your lines. You can also, if I click and hold, adjust two other parameters. One is the thickness of your line. You can also make them dashed or dotted if you want, but generally we'll keep ours solid. You can make them thicker or thinner. So if it started at 2.5, if I take the thickness down to 1, you can see that this line is now thinner than it was before. I'll zoom in a little bit. It's now thinner than the others. There you go. You can, if you want, make your line thicker. Now, if you make it too thick, then it all kind of just runs together. But you can make your line, really thick if you want. There you go. That's a nice big old thick line. So the default, when you're zoomed in like I was 2.5. You can adjust that thickness if you wish. This other is the opacity of your line. So if you take it all the way up to 1, that's the highest it will go. That means you can't see through your line at all. If you take it all the way down to a low number, you can't even hardly see that. How about it? There we go. Put it at 0.5. You can see the line is there, but it's see-through, right? I can see what's behind it. That's sometimes helpful when you're drawing to make it a little lighter so that you can see exactly what you're drawing on top of. Now it defaults to a 0.9, which is, fine. But you can adjust that as well. 0 would mean it's completely see-through, and 1 would mean it's completely opaque, meaning you can't see through it at all. So feel free to adjust your color, and if it's helpful for your picture, to adjust your line thickness and your line opacity as well.